Okay, this is a quick video on the Delta Scalper. Just taking a look at some of the opportunities today, Tuesday, March 15, 2016. Okay, I'm going to run through some order flow charts using the Delta Scalper. Now, there's a couple trades in here, but they were taken on my reading of order flow, not necessarily the Delta Scalper. I want to just show you how the Delta Scalper looked today. This is more for informational purposes. So this morning, 8:40, had your first signal. And the market it came off a little bit in the next bar. Then it went from 97 all the way up to 00.5 or 00.75. So it's a scalper. So it's more for short-term moves, not necessarily long-term moves. This is a 5-range chart. The next signal here was 10:07. Again, it kicks off. And you're looking at trading around 1999.5. It sort of went sideways to a little bit higher. Didn't necessarily came down to 98.75 before turning back up to 02.5. Again, it kicks off again around this 1999 level. This one didn't necessarily work out initially. It was underwater for about 10 or 15 minutes, 20 minutes, before turning positive. It's one of those things, where you're going to place your stop. I like to try and get in somewhere around the zone. If, that's why I print out a zone, so if we get in there, that's the ideal entry. You're looking at a point and a half stop, trying to get, 2 or 3 points in return. Let's see, I think that was it. This was a small trade here. Didn't necessarily work out. I took a trade here. This is something unrelated to the scalper, but the signal was up here, around this 04, 03.5 level, and down to 01 before turning around. And so that was it. Those were the main signals. This is on a 5-range chart. I could pull in tomorrow. I'll try and show different charts, like minute charts, and it's slightly different. Today was a slow day at the Fed meeting, so the market wasn't necessarily moving around very much. So for more information on the Orderflows Delta Scalper, visit my website www.orderflows.com. You should see a lot of information on it there. Thank you.